Google earns most of its revenue from Google search, and we use Google search each and every day to do a lot of things. But now there is a giant who is rising and having all the ability to beat Google search. Yes, you heard it right. His name is Chat GPT, a brainchild of Elon Musk. You all might be thinking, will this really happen? Can Chat GPT overtake Google search? Let me explain this with the help of an example. Let me go to Google and search. Write a program in C, C++, Java and Python to print hello world. If I hit enter, you'll get heap of information like this. Now, with the help of your knowledge, you should go to that proper link and get the answer, which is actually time consuming. Now, let us bring Chat GPT and ask the same question what I asked for Google search. When I put the question and hit enter, boom, you have a program on C, you have a program on C++, you have a program on Java, you have a program on Python with more accuracy and precise without consuming much of your time. Not only simple questions like this, whatever question you have, you ask to Chat GPT, he is having answer for your question. Not only programming field, whichever field you are, you ask the question, he is having the answer. Are you really excited for this? Actually, it is very much addictive. Do you want to try this? The link is below in the description. Start using it and let me know, after using Chat GPT, will you use Google search in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching and please subscribe for more informative videos like this.